Let me show you the best workaround for setting up passwords in your Google Drive. First, you need to create a folder to keep your files that you want to protect under your password. Right-click, New Folder. Here it is. Then you can put the file in that you want to keep under the password. All right. Next, we're going to create a Google form when people need to kind of give us the password to get the link to that folder. So go to Google Forms. And we just need to set up one question asking for password. Be sure using short answers as the question type. We're asking for a number that is equal to our password. In my case, that will be like 1, 2, 3, 4, like a PIN code. And then if somebody put the wrong number, we show him wrong password. This is important to put this kind of message so they don't see what should be the correct one as the error message. All right, make this required and be sure you got a data validation, response validation on. This is the way how you can put this correct password for that question. Okay, with that out of the way, we can publish this Google form. And from here, you can copy the link. If you share the link to that Google form, others will be able to see it, and then they will be able to put the password here. If they put something wrong, they will got this message wrong password. If they put the correct one, 1, 2, 3, 4, submit, they will have a pop-up. Here's another link that lead to that folder we just made. All right, so how can we set up this link as the result? Let me show you. Head here, remember this folder we make, click those 3 dots and click share. We're going to click share. Make sure the link is available to anybody with the link. And then we copy this link. Go back to your Google form. This time head to settings, presentation, and there's something called confirmation message. You put the link here. So that's the link to that folder. People will only see this link after they put the correct password. So that's the workaround really. And that's it. Just remember, don't share this link. Share the link to this form. So they need to put the password in. It's not perfect, but it's a pretty standard solution, very popular among people using Google Drive. All right, so right now we cannot simply right click and set up the password, and using Google Form is kind of the best way, I would say. I hope this was somehow helpful, and I will see you in the next one.